LC2700 Ladies Black Basic Classic Motorcycle Premium Leather Jacket with Side Laces. Special San Diego leather promotion. Trip like the wind or drawback a lift on his bike and also be protected while looking great. This is a biker girl's leather jacket. 1.2 mm premium milled cowhide leather is very easy treatment, water immune and the majority of places clean right off. It will certainly put on well throughout the years. Leather and stitching are highest quality. Ordinary side variation seek LC2701 design. Attributes original YKK Silver Hardware, 2 outside zip pockets plus coin pocket, 1 inside pocket, as well as 1 snap closure pocket for extra storage. 50% belt, zip sleeves and also zip out liner. When coolant collar and lapels break down to capture the breeze or look trendy, crossover front closes up to neck. We recommend purchasing 1 dimension bigger for convenience. The half belt adjusts the healthy smaller where needed. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.